Rattling noise when idle, key causes and fixes. It's annoying to hear a rattling noise when idle, making the experience in your car uncomfortable. And if left unattended, it can result in a severe issue, which can cost thousands of dollars to fix. If you hear a rattling noise in your car when idle, we highly recommend contacting a mechanic to identify the cause of the noise. Failing motor mounts, bad catalytic converter, low oil level, loose engine heat shield, and bent pistons and timing chains cause rattling noise when idle. In this video, we will discuss everything you need to know about rattling noise in a car and what to do about it. Rattling noise when idle. These are several reasons why your car might experience rattling noise when idle. Number 1. Loose engine heat shield. One of the most common reasons car rattling can occur is the loose heat shield. Since the heat shield is made from various materials, such as aluminum foils and sheets, it can rust easily, which can cause the screws to become loose. This can cause the heat shields to flap and make noise. Number 2. Failing motor mounts. These components are designed to keep the engine in place and prevent metal parts from touching each other. Usually, these mounts are made from rubber to prevent vibrations and damage. If the motor mounts fail, it could indicate something is wrong with the system. Number 3. Bad catalytic converter. If your car's catalytic converter is missing or not fitted properly, it could cause a sound. This component is made from ceramic-like materials and can get damaged if it gets bad. Number 4. Low oil level. Another common reason car rattling can occur is the low oil level. Although most people don't realize this, low oil levels can cause vibrations in certain engine parts. It's essential to check the oil level to ensure it's complete regularly. Number 5. Bent pistons or timing chains. Another common reason car rattling can occur is the damage or loosening of the transmission or clutch. This can cause vibrations that can create noise inside the vehicle. If you're experiencing this issue, contacting a mechanic is essential to diagnose the problem. Rattling noise from inside the car. Even though modern cars are much better than their predecessors, they still have issues that can cause interior noise. These include damaged glovebox hinges, an open center console cover, and a cup holder resting on the door panel. So, inspecting the interior is essential if you hear a loud and unsettling sound while your vehicle is idle. Rattling noise from under the car. One of the most common reasons car noises can occur is the emissions and exhaust systems. If you're experiencing this issue, it's essential to consider the less expensive repairs first. Heat shields are typically cheap and can protect nearby areas from the heat coming from the exhaust system. However, if they get damaged or worn out, they can start to cause a loud and unsettling sound. If the car's exhaust system is damaged or corrupted, it can cause a loud and unsettling sound. Sometimes, a loose part of the exhaust system can cause a rattle. A failing catalytic converter is another issue that can cause a loud and unsettling sound. This component is vital to the car's exhaust system, removing harmful elements and compounds from the exhaust gases. Its core is similar to a honeycomb, and it can transform unburned gases into harmless components in scorching conditions. As the core of the catalytic converter gets damaged, it can cause small pieces to drop off and eventually cause the housing to crack. If this happens, you must replace the catalytic converter to prevent it from stopping working properly. Rattling noise from under the hood. A failing hydraulic valve lifter is one of the most common reasons car noises can occur. This component is a small part that's responsible for opening and closing the engine's valves. Due to the complexity of today's vehicle valve systems, many cars have variable valve timing. In older cars, hydraulic lifters often collapse and produce a loud and unsettling sound as they fail. If this issue is the cause of your vehicle's noises, you must replace all of its hydraulic lifters. A distinct clack clack sound while starting your car could signify a serious issue called a piston slap. This condition occurs when the gap between the cylinder wall and the piston grows larger, preventing the piston from moving correctly. If this issue is the cause of your vehicle's noises, you must replace all of its hydraulic lifters. Can low oil cause rattling? A low oil level can also cause your car to make a loud and unsettling sound. This issue can occur when the temperature in the engine is high, which will allow the vehicle to suck more air into the oil pan. However, if the car's not getting enough oil, the air can get sucked in and cause the vehicle to noise. What to do if you hear rattling noises when idle? One of the most important factors to consider when experiencing car noise is that it could indicate something is wrong with your vehicle. But, on the other hand, it could be a simple and easy fix if it's not a severe issue. Since there are many possible reasons why your car might make noise while idle, it's essential to have it serviced by a car mechanic as soon as possible. Getting your vehicle to a garage is the best way to fix it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.